we're gonna learn how to navigate an Asian supermarket with my dad, featuring garlic chives. Most of us know the standard one, also known as gao toi, but you might not know about flowering chives, or gao toi fa, and my dad's favorite, yellow chives, or gao wong. My dad's gonna share how he uses them and why yellow chives are his favorite. Regular garlic chives are broad and flat. The garlicky flavor really enhances dishes, and they're a great stand-in for garlic when you don't feel like peeling the cloves. Flowering chives are the more mature form, and they're named for their light green stems and yellow buds at the end. Though my dad chooses to toss the buds as they're harder to chew and more pungent in flavor, they are in fact edible. The remaining stalks are sweet and crisp. Last but not least, we have the yellow chives. Compared to regular garlic chives, yellow chives taste milder and the texture is more delicate. As a dad, it's important for me to pass these traditions down, so that's why I'm so excited